Hey, good morning, guys. We recently started that hardball practice session at the Kiria accommodation place. So we have that just started that hardball players. Yes, they are fantastic. They have a good talent and skill. So then they will improve that themselves. And they don't want to know about the hardball yet. So that I'm here for that one. Thank you very much, guys.
Come on, huh? Hi, hard. Yeah, pull. Good. Get it. Yes, Majan. Yes, very nice. MRI high, Jan. Very nice, Majan. Very nice. All the time, try to grab here. I'll tell you the next time. Okay. Tennis high. Go. Go. Yes. Okay. Tennis high. Get it. Very nice, brother. Very nice. Majan, tennis. Go. 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 Wow. Fantastic. Majan. There's the NRI ball. Okay, run out tennis. NRI ball. Okay, Shan, MRI high, yeah? Okay, it's okay, leave it. Again. Tennis. Go and get it. Need to grab it. High. Hard. Okay, tennis high. Yes, Majan. Try. High. Okay, brother. MRI high. Next one. High. Okay, very nice, Majan. I like it. How you control that ball. Okay, Shan, does. Go. Good. Guys, remember that high catch. Always go to the under the line, under the ball. And this is your basement. See? This one is very important. Go to base, grab like here. And watch the ball until come to your hand. You know? Okay, Ashan. Technique के use करन बस. Okay, good. Technique के use करन बस. Technique के use करन. Ball लेके आते गया. Out the gun. Okay, use the technique, guys. Just use the technique. Under the ball. Yes. Watch the ball until it comes to your hand. Watch the ball. Okay, use the technique, huh? Use the technique. Go to the under the ball. Alright. So it needs to be here, not down. Because you may have a second chance if you grab it here. Right? Okay. Use the technique. Go to the under the ball. No, use here. No need to here. Okay, next. Use the technique. Papuada. Okay, use the technique. Jan. Go to the ball. Tawadiya kelu pula. Tawadiya isra den. Okay, hard ball, flat. What is your name? Good name, Majan? Das. Use the technique. Go to the under the ball, okay? Go. Under the ball. Now, need to come a little bit. Rana. Go to the under the ball. Yes. At least you can get you will have a second chance. Okay, Samana. Go to the ball, under the ball. Very nice. Watch the ball. Once you grab the ball, watch the ball. That is a nice confident technique. Another ball, grab it. Okay, Achan. Go. Yes, watch the ball. That is a very nice Macha. Okay. Go to the ball. Watch the ball. Watch the ball. That is. Don't forget that one. Watch the ball. Okay, guys. Come a little bit forward. Now you guys are a little bit understand what the catching technique. Huh? Enough. Yes, more. Enough. Okay, everybody okay with the hard ball? Yeah. I will not hit that high catch. I will hit like a halfway, like a normal catch, okay? But use your technique. Okay, technique is go to the under the ball, watch the ball, grab it here and watch the ball. Okay? Simple. But if you are not confident enough, just leave it. Okay, Hassan. Alright, good. Come on. I want to see that you guys how. Okay. Next one, Rana. Go to the ball. Alright, very nice. Okay, aaj ka number ka nice. Okay, sir. Arja. और क्या उधर वालों जाना ना जाते हो. What is from here? Not here. The next one, Asha. How do you put the gun in someone? Rana. Yes, Rana. Let's see the getting completed. Yes. Again, nothing will happen if you grab exactly middle of the farm. Okay? Nothing will happen. If it is gone, it will come to here. Then muskil. Nice, nice. See that? You are there, you are there. Pampalan dong. Nice. Now dia udah digan. Udah buat Dewi par panot ayah lagi ada udah dia. Beja. Alan bal mau complete. Now dia udah jalan. You are in confident level now. Go and grab it. No, I go down, I think. It's okay, it's okay. Every miscatch, you need to learn something. What was happened? So through the mistake. Sorry, learn through the mistake. All right. You are good. Come on, go for this one. Very nice, Macha. Confident. Ani tratu bole go ba. Go ani asliya. Bol tu ranting pade. Arar backing edge bolo aap matlab back. Ab bol tu ranting pade. Dana Macha Hajar. Balo mo ball. Erla Macha. Catch the galane anne ma. If you have a Macha confident Macha, you don't scared to the catch. But too much high, you scared. Just as long as you go to under the ball, you might drop the catch. It's a normal. It's a normal. Hello, Macha. only purpose is go to the under the ball. Okay? Okay, Rana. Go to the under the ball. Yeah. Ball. Kamana parra ball igalangata enna. Serious, yes. අන්න ඒ ලෙවල් එකට ආවොත් තමයි හાર્ඩ් බෝලේ අල්ලන්න පුළුවන්. Okay, it's okay. Play from the ball, huh? Are you going to catch? Play from the head. Mana බලන්න බලන්න. අතාරි. Whoa! Grab him. Nice catch. Who's the next? පණ්ඩිත වඩාන්න ඇඟිලි කඩා ගන්න මේක ලොකු රිස්ක් එකක් තියෙනවා. හරි. Well done, Macha. Well done. Yeah. We don't want to wait for the catch. You need to go to the catch. You understand, everybody? You don't wait. Oh, I'm a very confident. Come to me. No. You need to go to the ball. Okay? Okay, go. Well done, Rana. Well done. Okay, everybody come. Too much of everything good for nothing. Okay? You don't want to get into it. So you guys are okay with that? We have an MRI board that you guys are tired. You will have match. Yes, match. Okay? Yeah, you will have match. Because our cameraman is waiting for the match. Cameraman like a real cameraman. All right.
This ball
It's hardwood.
is hard.
No. Sri Lanka.
What was that?
Oh. Okay. Oh. Oh. Ini karena sama dia